If after a recent Switch update you're noticing your virtual game cards are missing or games aren't showing up correctly, it often happens because your console gets deregistered or because re-downloading was disabled in your eShop settings. In this video, I'll walk you through how to restore virtual game cards and get your missing games back. So let's begin. Solution 1. Deregister your secondary console. Well, the problem you see here is actually because after the update, your Switch has most likely deregistered itself as the primary console. If you use two consoles and both are linked to the same Nintendo account, then that causes this issue. For example, I'm facing this problem with my Nintendo Switch and I have a Nintendo Switch Lite. Let me get my Nintendo Switch Lite at hand. Now, let's open our eShop from the home menu. You need to select the same user you're using on your main Nintendo Switch here, because that is our problem. After selecting the user, let it load. Once eShop loads up, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Stay on the first tab, then on the right side of the screen, scroll down a bit. You should now find that the console has a deregister option. You need to tap that and confirm your choice with your account credentials. After that, restart both your Nintendo Switches. After the restart, your problem will be fixed. If the issue persists, try this other solution. Solution 2. Clear cache. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System. Now on the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Formatting Options. Now select Reset Cache and choose your user. You can tap Reset here if you don't mind losing your user ID or password on websites. This removes temporary files like cookies or cache data, which can add up over time. But don't worry, your saves and games won't be affected. After this, hopefully your issue will be gone. If the game is still missing, check your account settings or reach out to Nintendo support. If this tutorial helped you out, then like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with which step fixed it for you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.